Hello dear friends, today again we are starting with the SAT and the topic which we are doing today is about the rational and irrational numbers. Hope you will enjoy this session. As usual, let us start. So dear students, let us start with the first question. Which of the following shows the numbers arranged in ascending order? So first of all, we find the most negative number over here. I think that number is -5. So -5, this is root 3 is 1.73. So negative 1.73 is greater than -5. So this is ruled out. This is also ruled out. Here this order seems correct. Then 2/3. Yeah, this is the correct choice. Here also we are having positive and then negative. So this is wrong. So I will go with C. Next question we have 11 minus twice of this. So here again we are using PEMDAS as we did in the last session. PEMDAS stands for parenthesis, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So here first of all we find whatever is inside the parenthesis. So it is 2 minus 0.8 square, that is 2 minus 0.64. So that gives you 11 minus twice of 1.36 and then plus 24 divided by 4 is 6, and then we write -6 because 4 is negative, and then positive -6 is -6. It means it is 11 minus 2.72 and minus 6, so 8.72. We need to subtract 8.72. That should give us 2.28. Yeah, 2.28 is the answer over there, and that is the correct answer. See, next question we need to find the answer in nearest sets. Yeah, so let us take 500 common in both. I get 1.045 raised to power 8 minus 1.04 raised to power 8, and then I use the calculator. The calculator says that 1.045 raised to power 8, 1.045 raised to power 8 is 1.4221, and then 1.04 raised to power 8 is 1.3685. So when you subtract and multiply by 500, I get 26.76
Data and
765. So 765, I think I will go with $26.77. Yeah, that's the correct answer. Which of the following is an irrational number? Irrational number is which has non-terminating and non-repeating decimal expansions. Non-terminating, non-repeating. So what I can do over here is I can see that this is terminating, so this can't be. This is a rational number, it's in the form P by Q. This is also a rational number because it is -4. So this is not, because when you find the square root, we get non-terminating, non-repeating decimal expansion. You can use your calculator, or else we can simply say that A, B and C are clearly rationals, so only option D is left. So that's the answer. Let us go to question number 5. Which of the following is an irrational number? See, rational number is this one, 7/8. Clearly anything which can be written in the form of P by Q and the denominator Q is not equal to 0 is a rational number. In 3 plays, a football team loses 5 yards, -5, and then gains 32 yards, and then they get a penalty, and then the team lost 10 more yards. So it should be 32 minus 15. So they actually gain 17 yards. So the answer is 17. And now in the last question we have, let me rub this before solving it. Okay. Now here we are given that BC is twice of AB. What is BC? It is coordinate of C minus coordinate of B. So it is x plus 0.4 and here coordinate of B minus coordinate of A will give you 0.85. So he's saying that x plus 0.4 is twice of 0.85. That means x plus 0.4 is 1.7. Then subtracting 0.4 from both sides, I get x equals to 1.3. It means what's the value of x? It is 1.3, and that is the answer. Okay, this is all about today's session. Bye. So dear friends, thank you so much for watching my video. Do like it, share it and subscribe it. Bye-bye.